Mr. Garza, how are you?
Truth or pleasantry, sir? What is your name again, please?
Captain Jackson.
Hello, Captain Jackson. I was in last week to follow up. I'm continuing to follow up. And who is this man?
I'm Sergeant Durkin.
Thank you. Still proceeding to follow up, and everything else being thwarted by procedure, months of delay, and now 2 new people whom I've,
So can I ask you a question, sir? Exactly what is your purpose for being here today?
to continue to follow up, new complaints, everything that I'd been dealing with Mr. Williams
But who do
about.
you want to meet with?
I've already said that priorly in the past, as I've been coming in. What is your function here today?
I'm actually here to determine what is your function here. Why are you here, and who do you want to see, and what do you intend to accomplish? So if you can provide me with that information, I might be able to help you.
Well, I think you need to speak with the sheriff,
Okay, he's
the
not
assistant
here,
sheriff,
and he's not here today,
Captain Gorewood,
and she's not available.
Mr. Williams, or Winters, I'm sorry.
He's not available either.
Well, in that case, I think, I really don't want to relive all the tragedies that I've been, put through by this department with 2 new people, because in my opinion, this is just another risk management tactic of having the victim relive what he's had in order to tire and vex and have him go away. When can you have the sheriff or the assistant sheriff follow up with me?
If you would like, you could give me your name and your phone number. And
It's on file.
I could have someone call you to schedule an interview if that's what you're doing, because you can't just walk in and expect that the sheriff is going to meet with you. It doesn't really work like that.
Oh, I'm quite well aware of how it works because I've had a meeting with the sheriff on 11/27. I'm quite well aware of how, it's set to defeat and not accomplish anything and not be accountable. That's part of the reason I'm here to follow up on that meeting and to point other things out. You're more than welcome to please contact me via email so that we have a documented trail of this continual stuff.
Do you
It's
have a
on
business
file.
card for me, sir?
It's on file. You can speak with the sheriff, the assistant sheriff. Everything is on file. And also, by the way, everything is on YouTube in case you need to follow up. And then you can see the horrors that I've been submitted through, just seeking up, my constitutional, my legal, my medical rights. Can you inform me who arrests for medical law violations?
I'm sorry, say again?
Who arrests for medical law violations?
Look, I'm not going to sit here and entertain these conversations with you. So is there anything else I can help you with? Because the people that you asked to visit, they're not here.
Well, obviously, I guess it depends on what your definition of help is. Apparently, we differ to agree on what that definition might be, because I have not been helped so far, nor was I helped the last time I came in and you asked me to leave, nor do I expect to be helped in the future, because I know a rigged methodology when I see it. However, I will continue to document that. So, like I've said in the past, just have them email me so that I can have a written documented trail, and then when that starts to fall through, I can continue to come in and videotape my continually trying to escalate and being played by bad process and no humanity and no help. So, thank you. Thank you for everything.
Thank you.
I will await the email.
Okay.
And I will, of course, naturally be back in when that fails. And I'm
good.
sure that
Okay.
we'll speak again.
Okay.
Well,
All right, have
it's
a nice day.
actually not, but I'm not the failure here. Thank you.